Mastering eyeliner is one of the essential skills in creating a polished, feminine look, especially for cross-dressers aiming to express their true selves through makeup. Eyeliner can define your eyes, enhance your natural features, and provide the perfect finishing touch to your overall appearance. However, it can be tricky to get right, particularly if you're new to applying makeup or still figuring out which styles suit you best. This guide breaks down eyeliner application into 4 simple steps to help cross-dressers achieve the perfect look, regardless of experience level. We'll cover everything from understanding your eye shape to choosing the right eyeliner and colors, and we'll finish with some tried-and-true tricks for flawless application. The first step to perfect eyeliner is understanding your eye shape. Each eye shape has its own unique characteristics, and figuring out which category you fall into will help you determine which eyeliner style suits you best. Here's how to identify your eye shape and some styling tips that work best for each type. Almond eyes. Almond-shaped eyes are the most balanced, and the outer corner naturally lifts. You can wear almost any eyeliner style, especially winged liner, which complements the lifted outer corners. Hooded eyes. With hooded eyes, the crease is less visible because excess skin folds over the lid. For this eye shape, focus on tightlining or creating a thin line along the lash line. Avoid thick lines that could disappear under the hood. Round eyes. Round eyes are large and open, with whites visible above or below the iris. To elongate round eyes, aim for winged or cat eye styles, and apply eyeliner in a way that extends beyond the outer corners. Monolid eyes. Monolids lack a defined crease, so the challenge here is to create the illusion of more depth and dimension. Use a gel liner to draw a bold line that thickens as it reaches the outer corner, paired with soft shading for a more natural look. To determine your eye shape, take a close look at your eyes. Do you have a visible crease? Do your eyes tilt upward or downward at the outer corners? Are they wide and open or narrow? These observations will help you identify your shape. Once you know your eye shape, start experimenting with different eyeliner techniques that flatter your features. For example, hooded eyes benefit from a clean, sharp wing, while round eyes look great with soft, smudged edges. Understanding your eye shape can make all the difference when applying eyeliner. The goal is to enhance your natural features, not work against them, so take the time to figure out what works best for you. Now that you know your eye shape, it's time to select the right type of eyeliner. There are several types of eyeliners on the market, each offering different benefits depending on your skill level, desired look, and occasion. Pencil eyeliner is ideal for beginners. Pencil eyeliners are easy to use and control. They provide a softer, smudged look that's perfect for everyday wear. If you're just starting out with makeup, a pencil liner can be your best friend because it's forgiving of mistakes. Liquid eyeliner is best for creating sharp, bold lines. It's perfect for more dramatic looks, especially when you want to achieve a precise wing or cat eye. Liquid eyeliner requires a steady hand, so it's a good option if you're more comfortable with makeup application. Gel eyeliners usually come in a pot and are applied with a brush. They're versatile, allowing you to create anything from thin, delicate lines to thicker, more dramatic strokes. Gel liners are long-lasting and great for those looking for a product that can go the distance without smudging. Felt tip eyeliners give the precision of a liquid liner but are easier to handle. They're excellent for creating a defined look with controlled application. Pen liners are also portable and easy to touch up throughout the day. For beginners, if you're new to eyeliner, start with a pencil. You can build your confidence and practice creating neat lines without the pressure of a liquid liner's precision. For intermediate users, as you gain experience, try a felt tip or gel liner. These options offer more control while giving you the ability to experiment with bolder looks. For pros, if you've mastered the basics and want to elevate your style, liquid liners are the way to go. These products allow for dramatic, precise wings and lines, but they require a practiced hand. If you're cross-dressing for extended periods, whether for a night out or a full day, you'll want to choose long-lasting, smudge-proof eyeliners. Gel and liquid eyeliners tend to have more staying power, but there are also many waterproof pencil liners available if you prefer a softer look. The key to perfect eyeliner is picking the right product for your needs and skill level. As you become more comfortable, you can start exploring different eyeliner types to suit various looks and occasions. The color of your eyeliner can dramatically change your look. While black is a classic go-to, experimenting with different colors can bring out your natural beauty and add a creative flair to your makeup routine. Here's how to choose the best eyeliner colors based on your skin tone, eye color, and style. Black eyeliner. This is a staple for most makeup looks. It's bold, dramatic, and works well for all skin tones. Black eyeliner is perfect for a night out or when you want to make a statement. Brown eyeliner. Brown eyeliner is a softer, more natural alternative to black. It's great for daytime looks, or if you're aiming for subtle femininity. Let's choose colors based on your eye color. Blue eyes. To make blue eyes pop, opt for warm tones like bronze, copper, or brown. These colors create a striking contrast that highlights the natural blue hue. Green eyes. Purple and plum eyeliners enhance green eyes, as the coolness of these shades complements the warm tones in green eyes. Brown eyes. Brown eyes look great with almost any color. Experiment with jewel tones like emerald or navy to bring out the depth of brown eyes. Hazel eyes. For hazel eyes, try shades of gold, brown, or even green to bring out the natural variation in color. If you're feeling adventurous, don't be afraid to try metallics or bright colors like electric blue, emerald green, or even white. These fun shades can add a unique twist to your look, especially for special occasions or when you want to stand out. Choosing the right eyeliner color can elevate your look and express your personality. Whether you're sticking to classic black or trying out bold, vibrant shades, color selection plays a vital role in how your eyeliner complements your overall appearance. Applying eyeliner can be a challenge, even for those who have been doing it for years. Fortunately, there are some tried-and-true tricks that can help you master the process and avoid common mistakes. One of the biggest challenges with eyeliner is getting a perfect wing. A simple trick is to use a small piece of tape placed diagonally from the outer corner of your eye toward your temple. This acts as a guide, helping you create sharp, clean lines. You can also purchase eyeliner stencils that guide your hand as you draw the wing. A shaky hand can ruin your eyeliner, leading to uneven or jagged lines. To prevent this, rest your elbow on a table or countertop for extra stability. Additionally, try resting your pinky finger on your cheek while applying eyeliner to keep your hand steady. Instead of attempting to draw one continuous line, use small, short strokes along the lash line. This method allows you to build the eyeliner gradually and make adjustments as you go, resulting in a smoother, more precise application. Tightlining is a technique where you apply eyeliner to the upper waterline, the space between your lashes and your eye. This makes your lashes appear fuller without the need for heavy eyeliner on the lid. It's perfect for a more natural, feminine look that still adds definition to your eyes. Even the most experienced makeup artists make mistakes with eyeliner. Keep a small brush and concealer handy to clean up any smudges or uneven edges. Simply dab a bit of concealer along the line to sharpen it and correct any imperfections. These tricks will help you overcome the most common eyeliner challenges, allowing you to achieve a flawless look every time. With practice, you'll become more confident and creative with your eyeliner techniques. Perfecting your eyeliner as a cross-dresser takes time, patience, and practice. By following these 4 simple steps, understanding your eye shape, choosing the right eyeliner, picking the perfect color, and mastering application techniques, you'll be able to enhance your eyes in a way that complements your unique style and personality. Remember, makeup is an art form, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Experiment, have fun, and most importantly, embrace the confidence that comes with mastering your makeup routine. Whether you're aiming for a soft, natural look or a bold, dramatic style, eyeliner is a powerful tool in expressing your true self. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request to you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.